all you savvy naturalistas, what is up, and welcome back to my channel and another episode of Skincare Spotlight. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you check out savvynaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. Miracle Glow Oil, as well as Larimar Elixir and our toner Aqua de Roses. So make sure you check that out at savvynaturalista.com. And in this episode of Skincare Spotlight, I have another K-Beauty product for you, and it's called the MIZON All-in-One Snail Repair Cream. I know we've had a lot of K-Beauty products in our skincare spotlight, but I've been really loving them lately because my skin has been so dry with living in the desert. So I really wanted to talk about this product because I was first hip to this product by a Filipino actress, songstress. She's an actress, a songstress, a writer, singer, songwriter. She's just really a triple threat in the Filipino entertainment community, and her name is Miris Raquel. If I'm saying it wrong, I'm sorry. And when I did her skincare routine, I'll leave a card somewhere in the video. I did her skincare routine, and she uses this and swears by this. So I kind of fell off of using the other products that she does use, but I kept coming back to this product for some odd reason, and I was kind of shocked because I didn't even know it was a K-Beauty product, even though the writing on the back is in Korean. I didn't think anything of it until I just started doing research on this product specifically, because when I first started using it because of her skincare routine, I noticed that my skin was very supple, my skin was very hydrated, and it just looked really good. So I had to do research on this cream, and I noticed that this cream is actually has I think it's 92% snail extract, and actually the first ingredient is snail mucus filtration, or snail mucus extract is the first ingredient in this cream. And I want to say this as a side note, Filipino skincare is really underrated here in America, I will say, and I really want to say that Filipino people, especially Filipino women, have really great skin, and I just wanted to throw that in there, especially after Miris hipped me to this cream, and I just had to, you know, let you guys know about it in Skincare Spotlight. With that being said, I decided to go ahead and use this for 3 weeks. So I used it mainly at night because I felt when I used it in the morning, my skin, I live in the desert, so I need a lot of hydration. So if you have dry skin or you have sensitive skin that leans on being really dry, you may not want to use this product during the winter time. This is more of a summer moisturizer, I would say, for those living in the desert, those with sensitive skin and those with dry skin. But many of you know my skin has been looking oily lately. I've been having a lot of breakouts, and I really needed something that wasn't a heavy moisturizer, but something that was sort of gel-like and that would help smear on my skin and hydrate my skin at the same time. During my nighttime skincare routine, I normally do a double cleanse. So I start off with the oil cleanse to get rid of my makeup, and then I do a water-based cleanse to get rid of the rest of the makeup and the dirt off of my face. After that, then I would tone, and then I would go in with the moisturizer. There were some days when I did just a single cleanse and I used this moisturizer, and I will tell you, I noticed the difference right away in what my skin looked like. I noticed the breakouts that I were having were clearing up immediately, and the scarring from the breakouts were actually clearing up within a week. I also noticed my skin tone was looking even more smooth because I've been having a lot of texture skin on my face, really fine bumps from the wind burn. We've had a lot of wind. The winds are going crazy here right now, and we've had a lot of wind, and I tend to get little tiny fine bumps on my face from the winds being just out of control, and my skin was looking very textured. With that, I would use this moisturizer at night, and I must tell you, when I would wake up in the morning, my skin would look nice, it would look dewy, it would just look really good in the morning. So this cream is also very calming to the skin. I noticed that because the winds have been so bad here lately, and I've been any bad windburn. I noticed that after I will cleanse my skin, that once I put this cream on, my face would feel very, very, very calm. And you know, it just seeps into your skin. It's really like a gel-like consistency that seeps into your skin, and it leaves a nice silky feel. It's a sort of tight feel to it. So once you put it on your skin, you'll notice that your skin feels sort of firm and supple at the same time, but I felt my skin was very on the firm side, and then when I woke up in the morning it became more supple. I hope that makes sense. So the cream does start off on your face. Once it seeps into your skin, it does make your skin feel a little firm. So I just want you guys, if you do decide to try this cream, just know that your skin may feel tight in the beginning, but once you wake up in the morning or once you go about your day, depending on what region of America you live in, you know, I mean, I live in the desert. It's very dry here, you guys. I cannot use this cream. I'll have to add an extra moisturizer on, so instead of wasting it, because the cream will run you about $18. And how many ounces is this? Let me see that. So this cream is about 75 milliliters, about 2 ounces, and it will run you about anywhere between $17 or $18. That's not a lot of money. I've seen creams that are way on the expensive side. So if that price tag will pull you off for that 2 ounces of cream, trust me, if you have oily to combination skin and you are looking to diminish your acne scars, you may want to invest in this type of cream. Many of you know I do have combination skin, and right now in the desert my skin's been looking really, really oily because of the wind burns. So not only is it calming my skin, I have been having scarring from the wind burn, and so I haven't really, the scars are diminishing very quickly, so I'm really pleased with this cream. Also, I've been having breakouts, and once I use this cream with the breakouts, I have visibly no scarring at all. And you guys know I like to pop a pimple, okay? I know they tell you don't pop a pimple, but I'm popping. I just like to pop a pimple. I can't help it. I just have to. So with that being said, when I pop the pimple, I clean it up, and then I notice visibly no scarring whatsoever with putting this cream on. This cream will actually help reduce the appearance of your scars. So if you're looking for some type of cream that will help with your acne scars, I would suggest you go ahead and try this cream. I've had a lot of black scars or dark scars from having pimples or breakouts on my face, and I will tell you, 3 weeks time that I have seen a reduction in the appearance of the scars on my face. I also want to say, so 2 ounces for $17 is not a lot of money. I wanted to say the reason why I can't use this as a moisturizer in the morning time is because, like I said, 2 ounces, $17, it'll strip the oils right away out of my skin. So I need a heavy duty moisturizer to get me throughout my day. But once I go to bed, I put this on my face after I do my skincare routine. I turn my humidifier on and I'm in bed, and I wake up with nice supple skin. Now I will say I do use quarter-size amounts of this product, so I've had to buy a couple of jars of this after Mara's routine. I just fell in love with this cream, and I also have been using it for certain dry patches I have been getting on other parts of my body. So not only is it a cream for your face, it's actually a great cream for your body. I suggest you use just a little, because 2 ounces, you know, I'm used to having just a vino, but 2 ounces of this, I mean, you got to use it sparingly. And I also want to show you guys the gel-like consistency that I am obsessed with. I know you guys seen it as I was doing it, but I mean, it's just a beautiful gel-like consistency. It goes on nice. You won't get a white cast at all. And I'm also happy to say I really like this product because it's actually very cooling. That's why it helps calm your skin down. So if you have any inflamed skin, any type of irritation to your skin, then this will help calm it down, especially if you guys use sort of harsh scrubs, like apricot scrubs are very harsh, or any type of very coarse facial scrub that you use, I would suggest you try this cream to help calm your skin down. Not only that, you know, with certain type of lacerations we have on our face, we may not see the lacerations, but they are there on your face. So this is a wonderful cream to help with the lacerations as well. I noticed that when I have lacerations on my skin, this cream actually helps, you know, I don't want to say clear them up, that's a stretch, but it actually helps soothe them and keep them calm. And who knows, it can be, I feel it's actually a protective barrier when it comes to the lacerations on my skin. Now, as I said, y'all know I got a big head, big forehead, big neck. My daughter's forehead is officially came in, it's looking like mine. That being said, you know, I have to use a lot. You know, I have to use quarter size amounts. So I would say this will so this size will last me, I would say, because it's been really windy in the desert, I've had to replace this, I would say, in the last 3 or 4 months, I want to say I've bought 2 jars, okay, and 2 ounces at $17. I mean, do the math. I mean, it's not that bad. I could see worse ways of spending my money, so I'm not tripping about it. I am so happy that this cream is really one of my favorites at this point, and it virtually has no smell. You guys know I can't stand loud fragrances. Even fragrances, certain fragrances put me off. So if this cream does all this and there's no smell, I would rather it have no smell. So I'm really happy that they actually gave us a cream with no smell. So thank you very much, MIZON, for giving us a cream with no smell. I am so happy. I love unscented products. I buy Aveeno lotions. Most of my lotions are unscented, but if I find a scent or a lotion or a cream that I like that's scented, I just go ahead and deal with it. But other than that, I am all for an unscented product unless it's scented with like a light essential oil. So now let's nitpick the cream a little bit, because you know I always got to nitpick something in Skincare Spotlight. I want to say that with this cream, I honestly feel that it's on the sticky side, but I let it go, and the reason why, because it is a snail mucus cream, and snail mucus, I mean, have y'all ever seen snails? Like in my grandma's garden in the front of her yard, she's literally always had snails, and their mucus is sticky. So I could see if it was like a product that you know, said it wasn't sticky. It's gel-like consistency. Most gels are sticky, and it's saying it's snail cream, so of course it's going to be sticky. So if you're put off by it, you know, that may be a little iffy. I would say it's not a bad sticky, but it's more like a slippery sticky. It's not ucky, like it's not going to be tacky on your skin, but just know it's sticky. So if you decide to use this in the morning before you put your makeup on, you won't get a tacky build up for your makeup, but it will be sticky. So that's just to watch out. I also noticed that it's a very firm type of product. So once you put it on your skin, it will make your skin feel a little firm. So if you're looking for something that's a supple moisturizer, you have to wait a while for this to make your skin feel supple. In my opinion, I noticed that once I put it on my skin felt pretty firm. It felt like it was drying out, but I think it was just tightening my skin. And then once I woke up in the morning, I had bouncy, supple skin. Who knows, maybe with me using a humidifier mixed with the snail cream, it all came together. I don't know, but that's all I noticed, a very firming type of cream. Now, those are all the nitpicks I have for this cream. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this review of MIZON's all-in-one snail repair cream. I really suggest you guys buy it. I really like this cream, and I want to say this, and I stress this heavily. If you have dry skin, well, actually, because we're leaning towards summer, like if we were in winter time, I wouldn't recommend anyone with dry, sensitive skin buy this. But however, because we are going to hit summer soon, and we're already hitting summer here in the desert, but you know, this would be a great time to try this cream, because even though it is for oily skin, combination skin, if you have dry or sensitive skin during the summer months where, you know, we're sweating a lot, we get more humidity in the air, it may be a great time to try this cream, because even though it goes into your skin and it seeps into your skin and you feel sort of like a firm, silky, dry texture, with the summer months coming, you may want something that's not as heavy as your other moisturizer, and this may be a wonderful light base moisturizer for those in the in the summertime who have dry, sensitive skin. So yeah, so if you want to try it, but if you live in the desert, I suggest you use this at nighttime. Do not go out the house if you live in the desert and it's really windy with this stuff on your face, especially if you're not wearing nothing else. Do not go out with this cream, because you will have dry patches and you will strip your skin of any oils it has. So please don't go out the house with just this cream on. Please listen, please. If you live in the desert, just listen to me. We need all the moisture we can get here. So anyways, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Skincare Spotlight. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you check out SavvyNaturalista.com for all your skincare needs. If you would like me to try a product and feature it in our episodes of Skincare Spotlight, let me know in the comments down below. And if you would like to keep up with me, make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. And I'll see you in our next video, you guys. I love you so much. Bye.